Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to learn some of the basic characteristics of magnet. Okay? Do you know what is the meaning of characteristics? Properties.
Properties.
So what are the properties of magnet? What is here in my hand?
Magnet.
Do you know what is the name of this magnet?
Bar magnet.
Yes, it is a bar magnet. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now I tie a thread to a bar magnet. Look at this. मैंने क्या किया है यहाँ पर? Bar
बार
magnet से
मैग्नेट
thread
को बांधा है,
ना?
थ्रेड बांधा है.
And I put the thread in one hand. बराबर है? इसको क्या किया मैंने एक हाथ में पकड़ा है. And I rotate freely this magnet. Okay? Now look at the magnet. After some time it will come into the rest. ये थोड़ी देर के बाद रेस्ट हो जाएगा. होगा कि नहीं होगा?
हुआ सर.
देखते कब रेस्ट होगा. Will come into the rest after some time. Okay, it is coming into the rest now.
Yes.
Look at the position of the magnet. Magnet का position की तरफ देखो. It shows this direction and this direction. Okay? कौन कौन सी दिशा दर्शा रहा है? एक तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की दिशा दर्शा रहा है and right hand side. So do you know what is the left hand side and right hand side? बोलो कौन सी दिशा है ये?
नॉर्थ एंड साउथ.
नॉर्थ कौन सा है?
इधर का.
ये नॉर्थ है और ये साउथ है. So the magnet is always showing the direction of north and south, है ना? So what is the property of magnet?
And if you suspend freely magnet, then it will show always north and south direction.
Very good, है ना? Freely suspended magnet freely suspended magnet always goes north and south direction. Understood? समझ में आया? This is one of the property of. So what is this in my hand?
Key.
I bring this key near the magnet. Look what happens.
Attract.
It attracts the
Magnet. Segment.
metal. So generally the metals like iron, cobalt and nickel, they are magnetic material. है ना? So and look at this. Which is this one? Pen. The material of the pen is
Plastic.
plastic. When you bring this material close to the magnet, it does not.
Attract.
है ना? So the magnetic material attracts towards
Metal.
only metals, particularly iron, cobalt and nickel. बराबर? So what is the property of magnet? Magnet attracts only
Metal.
the magnetic material, है ना? An example of magnetic material is iron, cobalt and nickel.
Iron.
All these are the metals. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
And if you bring this magnet close to the non-magnetic material, and it does not attract towards the non-magnetic material. Third property is non-magnetic material or magnet does not attract towards the non-magnetic material. Non-magnetic material like plastic, wood, and glass. One back.
Yes, sir.
So the third property is that magnet does not attract towards the non-magnetic material like plastic, wood, and glass. Do you know what are the different types of magnets are there?
Yes, sir.
So this is one is magnet.
Magnet.
This magnet is called as Harshu magnet, है ना? Again, this magnet is called as.
Magnet.
The type of magnets are 3 or 4 types. Number one is called as
Magnet.
types of magnet. Number one is called bar magnet.
Horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe magnet.
The third is called as ball-ended magnet. Number 4 is called as cylindrical magnet. उसके बाद number 5 is called circular magnet. क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ? इलेक्ट्रिकल मैग्नेट को लिख दिया मैंने. सर्कुलर मैग्नेट. So these are some of the examples of magnet. So have you learned about and freely suspended magnet always shows north and south direction. If the magnet is showing north and south direction, then how many poles are there to the magnets? There are 2 poles to the magnet. है ना? Number 1 is called as north pole and south pole. है ना? The 2 poles of the magnet is called north pole and south pole. So, do you know what is permanent magnet and temporary magnet?
So permanent magnet is that magnet that attracts for permanently
And temporary magnet
and for some time.
for some time, है ना?
Yes.
If you put this magnetic material like iron in contact with this magnet for few times, है ना? अगर उसको हम मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल के साथ कुछ देर तक रखते हैं ना, then it acquires a magnetic character. It acquires a magnetic character, and this character is called as temporary magnet. है ना? This magnetic property remains for a very short period of time, and then it will lose its magnetic property. Understood? This is called as temporary magnet. If you want to make a temporary magnet, then put this what is called bar magnet on plain table and take a iron strip. लोहे की पट्टी लेना है ना, and put one end of the iron stick at the one end of the magnet and slowly move this strip to the another end, है ना? Make this activity 14 to 15 times. So after that you will find that this non-magnetic material or iron strip get temporary magnet. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So you have learned here the magnets are having two poles. Number one is called as, and the second one is called as. The magnetic property of the magnet is more at its end. That end is south pole and north pole. And the magnetic property of the magnet is less in the middle. For example, this is the bar magnet. है ना? These are the two ends of the magnet. One is called as south pole and another is called as north pole. The magnetic property of this magnet is more at the two ends. But the magnetic property of this magnet is less at the
Middle.
You can hear. आप इधर आ जाओ और इसको मिडल में लगाकर देखो और एज में लगाकर देखो कहाँ पर ज्यादा मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी है मेरे को बताओ.
Sir, the magnet property is higher in a pole.
Very good. And what about the middle?
And there is less magnetic power in its middle.
Very good, very good. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? किसी भी मैग्नेट की मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी उसके एंड में ज्यादा होती है और उसके मिडल में
कम होती है.
अंडरस्टूड? तो अब तक हमने क्या क्या देखा? There are different types of magnets like.
Bar magnet, horseshoe magnet,
You stand up and tell me.
bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, ball-ended magnet, cylindrical magnet, and circular magnet.
Okay. What about the properties of the magnet?
If magnet is freely suspended, then magnet always show the direction of north and south. Magnet attracts toward the magnetic material like iron, cobalt, and nickel. Magnet do not attract toward the non-magnetic material like plastic, wood, glass. And the two poles of the magnet is called north and south pole.
Do you know magnetic compass? Magnetic compass मालूम है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen the magnetic compass?
Yes, sir.
What is the use of this magnetic compass?
So magnetic compass
To
is
find the direction.
How you can find the direction of the direction with the help of magnetic compass?
Magnetic compass is made up of magnet, and the magnet always settles in north and south direction. So we take the compass and then we can settle the magnet freely, and then we can see north and south direction.
Very good. Which part of the magnetic compass is magnetic?
So at the all part.
No, the magnetic compass is having magnetic needle, which is pivoted in the inner part of this magnetic compass covered with a glass line. It has a case which is made from metal or plastic, and inside that metal and plastic case there is one magnetic needle which is pivoted in the middle, and it is covered with a glass line. Okay. If you put this magnetic compass on the plane surface, the magnetic needle always shows the direction of north and south. Okay. Do you know these are the properties of the magnet? Do you know how the magnetic properties of the magnet can be used? If you put the magnet in contact with each other, these are the two magnets. I am going to put this magnet in contact with each other for a long period of time. बहुत लंबे समय तक उसको हमने एक दूसरे से जोड़कर रखा है ना? Then slowly it lose its properties, है ना? तो क्या होता है? इसकी properties कम हो जाती है ना? So the very good method to put this magnet is that these magnets should be kept in such a way that in between them there must be a magnet, some magnetic material. Okay? And the two ends of the magnet is placed in such a way that a small iron plate is fixed in between them. So this is actually the method to keep the magnet safe. Understood? अगर मैग्नेट को सेफ रखना है तो उसकी मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी अगर सेव करनी है तो ये जो दो मैग्नेट है उसके बीच में एक नॉन मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल को रखना है. दैट नॉन मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल मे बी प्लास्टिक और मे बी वुड आल्सो, है ना? एंड द टू एंड ऑफ द मैग्नेट इज केप्ट इन कांटेक्ट विद द मेटल स्ट्रिप. उसके बीच में मेटल स्ट्रिप को अंडरस्टूड? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So do you know how the permanent magnets are made? Permanent magnets are made कैसे होते हैं? Permanent magnets कैसे होते हैं?
Sir, वो permanently चिपकते हैं.
और it is prepared by the mixture of iron, cobalt and nickel. A permanent magnet is a mixture of iron, cobalt and nickel. And temporary magnet can be prepared when you put this non-magnetic material in contact with the magnet for a short period of time. Okay? And for a short period of time, it will convert into magnet. How the magnetic property of the magnet can be used? If you put the magnet in contact or near the electronic devices.
Yes, sir. And it is thrown from height.
Yes, and it is also lose its magnetic property when you throw the magnet from height. Or
It is burned.
if you heat the magnet on high temperature, again it loses its properties. Now you tell me what are the reasons why the magnetic material lose its property, magnet lose its property.
When it is thrown and when it is
Where it is thrown,
when it is thrown from a height and when it is burned on a flame and when it is kept from here for a long period of time.
when it is also kept
Kept for a long period of time.
near the electronic devices like TV, computer and mobile. Okay?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So today we will stop here. Tomorrow we will see the remaining part of this lesson. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.